Creativity changes the everyday. Creativity is beautiful. Creativity is active. Creativity is freedom. Alpha NEX5 debut.
Sony.
Well, Darren Bennett,
Yes.
now you're a member of the expedition team, I think,
That's
aren't
right,
you?
I
With
sure am.
Orion Expedition Cruises.
That's right.
Now tell me, why is it Orion Expedition Cruises and not just Orion Cruises?
Orion is all about not just a beautiful ship, but also the destination. The destinations we visit are remote, unique, and very much authentic.
Absolutely. So you're really fulfilling all these aspirations that all these people in this video want of having adventures and experiential things happening to them and really getting under the skin of a country.
Absolutely. It's also a learning experience as well. We take our guests out and really bring a lot of the natural history to life in the parts of the world that we visit.
So what sort of places do you visit?
We visit places like the Kimberley, the unique and remote Kimberley, the sub-Antarctic islands in Antarctica and Papua New Guinea. Those really, think of a remote place, and that's where Orion Expedition Cruises venture into.
And it doesn't look to me like, with the video running there, that there's any skimping on the sort of luxury side of it, is there? The food and the...
She's a beautiful ship, of course German-made, and has all the facilities you'd expect in on a five-star resort. She's a beautiful ship that certainly has some great facilities.
Brilliant. Now tell me, in terms of the adventure side, if I was in the Kimberleys and I was on a cruise, what adventures would I get into and how would I get to them?
Yeah, we have these 10 Zodiacs. They're of course a big part of our operation. It's no good having such a beautiful ship without being able to get out and have these great transfers and expeditions out to these remote places. So our Zodiacs is what get us out there to experience these amazing places.
So what's one of your favourite places in the Kimberleys?
I'd have to say going to King George River in our Zodiacs and seeing just the sheer size of King George Falls and seeing how small we are in comparison to this unique landscape.
So you spend quite a bit of time working on this ship then, do you?
Absolutely, yeah. I've been with Orion for since 2006. It's been a wonderful journey visiting some of the most beautiful parts of the world.
And it's amazing really that this is Serena's dream, isn't it, in a sense? It's a fulfilment of a dream.
Absolutely. She had a dream to really offer something unique that has never been been able to be offered. Having such five-star facilities in such a remote part of the world was unthinkable 20 years ago, but now it's possible.
And I think the slogan is a path less travelled, isn't it?
That's
so,
right.
So you really get to those places where other companies don't go.
Other bigger ships would only dream about going. Orion only has a draft of 3.8 metres that allows us to get places that other ships would only dream about.
Brilliant. Well, Darren, thank you for your time this afternoon. I'm just watching this video over your shoulder, which is pretty impressive. I've met Serena many times and congratulate her on such an awesome product, which has become a really important part of the top end of the Australian luxury and experiential product. So, great job.
We are very proud of Orion and of our ship, so thank you.
No worries at all. Final question. Where can people find out more information about Orion Adventure?
On our website, so Orion Expedition.
I keep on saying Orion Adventure. Orion Expedition Cruises.
That's
I've got to get it right.
On our website,
yep.
And just contact our office, our head office in Sydney.
And your website address is?
www.orionexpeditions.com.
Brilliant, Darren. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.